Welcome back to school. Greetings from Nuala, Nunu, Mary Linka, your friendly teacher guide. I hope everybody is okay. I know the last 2 weeks that we've been off school have been stressful because of the COVID-19 virus, but we're doing something positive. We're here in this classroom. Okay, so let's begin this week. We are in English 101, College Reading and Composition 1. As you know, we are in home, which for us acts as a bulletin board to our classroom. What's on our bulletin board for this week? Up at the top here, we have a reminder of our class topic. What is the cause or causes of low student success rates? And what is the solution or solutions to this problem? Okay, this is the topic of our term paper, due at the end of the semester. We are preparing for it by writing a series of discussion essays that we can use as part of our term paper. We can weave into our final paper. Okay, scrolling down, we have the week 8 to-do list, March 30th through April 5th, and we have 4 items on this to-do list. The first is to complete discussion 3, which is the annotated outline, respond to 4 peers' essays. We were in the middle of discussion 3 when school was suspended for a week, and spring break was moved up another week. So we've had 2 weeks off. We need to go ahead and finish discussion 3. Okay, number 2 on our to-do list, post your essay for discussion 4. And what is the topic of the discussion 4 essay? Well, this week we're going to deal with student success statistics. That's what this animated image relates to fittingly. And the discussion 4 essay is probably our most important essay. So you'll want to really pay attention to the directions and post it on time, please. Okay, 3 on our to-do list, complete an MLA quiz. And 4, submit any late work, no points deducted. It's been a stressful few weeks with COVID-19 virus on the loose, I know that. Okay, so this is our to-do list for this week. As you know, up here in the left menu is modules just below home. This is our class Bible, and you can access modules here, or you can access it via this to-do list here. However, as you know, I create a brief to-do list here with the week's work listed for convenience. All you need to do is click on it, and it'll take you into week 8 right away. Okay, if you have any questions or concerns, I'm here in inbox. No question is ever not important. All right, I'm here for you. Let's get through this together, and my best wishes to everybody. All right? So let's get started.